Hey, Jeff here. Have you ever wondered what you should get for this thing? Well, today I'm going to go over the top 5 things you should get for your OneWheel. The first thing I think you should get is a fender. I personally tend to ride in every condition imaginable on my OneWheel. I've been in rain, snow, sand, salt, everything in between, and my fender keeps my feet and legs nice and dry in wet weather. They also have that convenient thing of keeping rocks and stuff from hitting your legs as you ride just up and down the road. The second thing I think you should get are foot plates or keel guards. That's these orange things right here. If you tend to ride your OneWheel for a while, you'll notice that the stock bumpers tend to wear down. After a point, you'll start wearing into the battery cover and the control box. I recommend getting skid plates or keel guards or float plates depending upon what they're called on whatever company they are. I personally use keel guards. That's these orange things right here. These are made out of stainless steel and I've ridden them for 1,500 miles or so. They haven't cracked, they look almost brand new, and all I've ever done is put a fresh coat of paint on them as they come as bare stainless steel. So overall, I recommend these. They've held up to the abuse that I've put them through. Number 3. Rail guards. Rail guards give your OneWheel a nice personality and it stands out from the rest of the boards that are all stock. They also give the advantage of protecting your side rails as in a rollover or any other situation where your OneWheel would typically hit the ground. It keeps all these nice dings, scratches, and everything else off of them and keep your rails nice and brand new. So whenever you go to put on a new set of rail guards, your rails are always perfect. Number 4. A rear footplate. This helps your back foot stay planted on your board while you ride and also prevents foot fatigue. I personally ride with the Sure Stance Pro on my board. It gives nice high edges so you can feel your heels and toes pretty easily on the board and you know when your foot's about to slip off. If you're in the Boston area, we have a rental program where you can go in and actually test out the different rear foot plates on the market. I'll put a link below to join our Telegram group if you're in the area and you're interested in trying these out. Number 5. Better grip tape. I've upgraded my grip tape a few times and it makes a huge improvement to my riding. The stock one is okay, but the more you use it, the worse it actually holds your feet on the board. Better grip tape will keep your feet nice and locked in while you ride. I personally use standard skateboard grip tape, which works just fine, and it actually is what all the pre-cut grip tape is out there made specifically for OneWheels. I need to replace my grip tape actually, and I'll show you here in the next week or so how I create it and install it on my board. This has been my top 5 things for my OneWheel that I think everybody should have for their board. If there's anything you think I forgot, please let me know in the comments below. But as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, you will see me in the next video. Bye bye.